Tired of traditional banking? Looking for a sleek, modern alternative? You've probably heard of Monzo, the UK's beloved challenger bank. But is it all sunshine and rainbows? Today, we're diving deep into the potential downsides of Monzo and whether it's truly the best fit for you. So, let's get started. Section 1: Limited Features and Fees. Monzo is known for its user-friendly interface and slick app. But does it actually deliver on functionality? One major drawback is the limited range of features compared to traditional banks. Investments: while Monzo offers some investment options, they're often limited in scope and may not cater to sophisticated investors. Business accounts: if you're a freelancer or small business owner, Monzo's business accounts might lack the advanced features you need, such as robust invoicing or expense tracking. Hidden fees: while Monzo boasts of being fee-free, there are some hidden costs to be aware of. For example, international spending can incur fees, and certain features like premium subscriptions may come with additional charges. It's crucial to carefully review Monzo's fee schedule and compare it to other banks before making a decision. Section 2: Customer Service Concerns. One of the biggest concerns for many Monzo users is customer service. While their in-app chat is generally responsive, resolving complex issues can be frustrating. Long wait times: in some cases, users have reported long wait times for phone support or experiencing difficulties getting through to a real person. Automated responses: many customer service interactions involve automated responses, which can be frustrating when dealing with urgent or sensitive matters. Limited branch access: as a digital-first bank, Monzo has limited physical branches. This can be a significant disadvantage for customers who prefer face-to-face interaction or require in-person assistance. It's important to consider your preferred customer service channels and whether Monzo's support system will adequately meet your needs. Section 3: Security and Privacy Risks. In today's digital age, security and privacy are paramount. While Monzo employs robust security measures, no bank is entirely immune to cyber threats. Data breaches: although rare, data breaches can occur at any financial institution. It's crucial to understand Monzo's security protocols and how they protect your personal and financial information. Privacy concerns: as a digital bank, Monzo collects and analyzes user data to personalize services and improve the customer experience. While this can be beneficial, it's essential to be aware of Monzo's data privacy policies and how your information is used. It's crucial to prioritize security and privacy when choosing a bank and to understand the potential risks associated with digital banking. Section 4: Alternatives to consider. If Monzo isn't the right fit for you, consider exploring alternative options. Traditional banks: while they may seem less cool, traditional banks often offer a wider range of features, better customer service, and more extensive branch networks. Other challenger banks: explore other challenger banks like Revolut, Starling Bank, or N26. These banks often offer similar features to Monzo, but with unique strengths and competitive advantages. Credit unions. Credit unions are member-owned financial cooperatives that often offer competitive rates and personalized service. Take the time to research your options and choose the bank that best aligns with your individual needs and preferences. Section 5: Conclusion. Monzo is a popular challenger bank with a sleek interface and user-friendly app. However, it's crucial to weigh the potential downsides, such as limited features, potential customer service challenges, and security and privacy concerns. Ultimately, the best bank for you depends on your individual needs and priorities. Consider your spending habits, investment goals, customer service preferences, and security concerns when making your decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.